Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to upload a photo or an image to ChatGPT on your Android phone, so you can ask it questions about the picture instead of just typing. This works for photos in your gallery, screenshots, and pictures you take right there with your camera. Let's get straight into it. Unlock your phone, swipe up from the bottom to open your apps, tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and tap the app to open it. Once ChatGPT opens, look at the message box and tap the plus button on the far left. A small menu slides up with 5 options: Camera, Photos, Files, Plugins, and Think Harder. Camera lets you snap a picture right now, but we want one that's already saved on the phone, so tap Photos. Give it a second, and your phone's own gallery slides up over the app, ready for you to choose from. Your phone's photo picker opens up, and at the top, it says, "This app can only access the photos you select," which is Android protecting your gallery. Your most recent pictures are on the first row. I'm going to tap this photo of the puppy, and you can see a blue checkmark appear in the corner. You can tap more than one if you want to send several. Now, at the bottom right, tap the Add button, which shows how many photos you picked. And there it is. The photo is now attached to your message, sitting right above the text box, with a little X in the corner if you change your mind and want to remove it. ChatGPT even offers quick actions like clean up image and remove the background. Now tap the text box next to it and type your question about the picture. I'll type, "What breed is this dog?" Now tap the Send button on the right. The photo uploads with your message, ChatGPT looks at it for a few seconds, and there's your answer. It says that looks like a golden retriever puppy, and it explains why: the cream-colored fluffy coat, the floppy ears, the broad muzzle. That's it. The image is uploaded, and you can keep asking follow-up questions about that same photo. So let's quickly recap. Open ChatGPT and tap the plus button on the left of the message box. That menu is also where you'll find files, if you ever want to send a document instead of a picture. Tap Photos to open your gallery, select the picture you want, and tap Add. Then type your question next to the photo and hit Send, and ChatGPT reads the image and answers you. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.